Myself Jyoti Sonavne, and I'm from Bandish Productions, Pune. And our company is basically into media production, and we are usually do pre-production to post-production works. We have our in-house team. We have all the creative team seats inside the studio. If we talk about like from scratch, like we have a creative script writers, designers, motion graphic designers, video editors. So we can say like if you bring any thought process, we convert into a proper product and then we deliver. So the first thing I look for the keen interest, like whatever you want to pursue, that interest should be there. So if you have an interest, you are able to do whatever the things are going ahead. And so there are types of designers. We have like motion graphic designers. So there are particularly softwares they should know. If they are master with the softwares, then they can deliver the things as it requires. Okay, so the first thing, this industry, it's completely based on the creative part. If you have that artistic feeling, like there are types of industries. Some people want to do engineers, some want to do doctors. So likewise, this industry, it's completely into creative things. If you already have a creative thought process and mind, and you want it to show to the world, then definitely you should enter to this industry and get your dream true, and let's show this to the world. I was always coordinating over the phone with Tahir sir and the other team members. I really like the campus, and if I talk about the students I have interacted so far, around like 20. So they are more versatile with the basics. I always go for the basics. I do not ask the direct questions. So I got to know that they know already like what they need, want to do and want to pursue. So the basic things are very much clear from them, and of course they will be requiring some training, some like polishing, and then they will be mastered.